To someone unfamiliar with the legal process, even the smallest courtroom can be intimidating, especially if the individual walks through the door alone without representation. For many in our community, that's the reality. That's why the Legal Assistance Center was founded in 2002. The Grand Rapids Bar Association saw a need in the community to assist individuals and families involved in legal disputes that could lead to homelessness, loss of child custody, domestic violence, or other threats to their well-being. Many of these individuals in crisis could not afford an attorney and were not eligible for free legal help. At the same time, they were not prepared to represent themselves.
If the Legal Assistance Center wasn't here, I really wouldn't know what to do. I talked to a police officer, he didn't even know what to do.
I'm trying to get full custody of my kids. I got divorced about a year ago and my kids are not being treated right, and this was a perfect place for me to come.
Self-representation can be difficult, but the LAC helps those without a legal background handle certain cases, such as small claims and many family law disputes. At our office located in the Kent County Courthouse, trained volunteers and staff assist members of our community by providing form pleadings and motions so that they can state what relief is needed in a manner the court can address. The LAC also provides free access to the internet and other legal materials for research.
The language barrier for Hispanic residents is a huge issue. The Legal Assistance Center helps our clients who don't know they have legal resources.
I didn't know how to fill out the paperwork, and the ladies in there are very helpful.
I came up here and met the staff, and they just got everything going really easily for me.
The LAC is open to all, regardless of income or background. If individuals need additional community resources on a specific legal issue, the staff is there to guide them. And when patrons do require legal advice or representation, the LAC sends them to attorneys through the Lawyer Referral and Information Service of the Grand Rapids Bar Association. The Legal Assistance Center also works closely with legal aid.
Primarily when folks are over income for our services, legal aid would refer clients to the Legal Assistance Center. The staff at the Legal Assistance Center knows our priorities, knows the kind of cases that really do need a lawyer to be involved.
There is no doubt that the LAC has positively impacted individuals, but its effect is also felt throughout our community and in our courts.
The friend of the court uses the referral to the Legal Assistance Center a lot because we don't have the time and we have some limitations on what our abilities are in helping people with legal documents.
The Legal Assistance Center helps this community in a number of ways. First of all, it gives the litigants out there an indication that they count, that they're part of the system. They've got a place to go that can help them do what they need to have done. And you can see them almost walking 2 and 3 inches off the ground because they've done it right. I did it, and I did it in the courtroom. Second for the community is it makes the system itself much, much more efficient.
The Legal Assistance Center is a model for other local bar associations and courthouses. In fact, it has provided information, legal materials and forms, as well as assistance to other communities opening their own centers. From the very beginning, the Legal Assistance Center has had one goal: to allow everyone access to justice through our courts. It has met and exceeded that goal with the help of community organizations, area law firms and businesses, individual donors, and volunteers. But the need is growing. Each month, the number of individuals trying to understand and resolve their legal disputes rises.
The point is where do you plug in, how do you plug in, and how do you get the best out of the system that's designed for everybody?
The legal system is very tough to navigate through, and it's a difficult system.
It seems like there's a new realization that many people do not have the resources to hire lawyers. The Legal Assistance Center just is another tool to help even that playing field.
It's only with the continued generosity of organizations, individual donors, and volunteers that the LAC can continue to work in our community and provide people access to our legal system. That's everyone's right.